Top 6 foods you should never eat again. Now, I'll be honest with you, these foods aren't going to kill you the second they touch your tongue, but honestly, we'd all be better off if we never ate them again. They're not great for you at all. So, is your favorite food on this list? 6. Frosting. Sorry to break it to all you baking buffs out there and cake lovers, but frosting is just pure sugar. It will actually send your blood sugar levels skyrocketing and send a lot of bad cholesterol your way. If you're wondering whether or not the frosting that you eat is bad for you, then you just have to ask yourself this. Do I want to eat my own body weight in it because of how good it tastes? If the answer is maybe yes, then you should probably stay clear of it. 5. Table salt. Next, we have table salt. You can find it on almost every dinner table. About 95% of restaurants use it. But here's the kicker. Natural salt contains over 80 essential minerals, which are lost when it's processed at super high temperatures to make table salt. It can raise your blood pressure, and long-term use may lead to serious kidney, thyroid, and liver problems. Lots of people are making the switch to more natural salts, so be cautious with this one. 4. Palm oil. Coming in at number 4 is palm oil. You might not know it, but it's in so many foods, like margarine, cooking oil, soups, crackers, and even Nutella. While it's loaded with unhealthy, saturated fats, the production of palm oil is a huge environmental problem. The land used for palm oil plantations leads to massive deforestation in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia. 3. Foie gras. At number 3, we have foie gras. If you ever find yourself at a fancy French restaurant, you might see this on the menu. Foie gras means fat liver, and it comes from force-feeding ducks or geese until their livers swell up with fat. This process sounds pretty horrible, and honestly, it is. Most of you guys watching this won't actually live too far from a restaurant selling foie gras. Googling the pictures behind how it's made actually makes most people's stomachs turn. 2. Microwave popcorn. Coming in at number 2, we have microwave popcorn. The FDA has warned that heated popcorn can contain perfluorooctanoic acid, a chemical linked to cancer. One study even found a dangerous chemical in some brands that can harm workers in the factories where it's made. 1. Artificially dyed food. Finally, at number 1, we have artificially dyed food. If your food is as neon bright as a Teletubby, it's best to avoid it. Americans now consume 5 times more food dyes than in 1955, and scientists are seeing the effects. Blue dyes in cereals have been linked to tumor development, while red dyes may contribute to hyperactivity in children. To keep your diet clean and healthy, skip anything that looks like it was painted with a highlighter. So there you have it. The top 6 foods you should never eat again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.